What's good, YouTube? Just bought some new LED bulbs for this flashlight. This is a I consider it an old school flashlight that I bought from a Goodwill. But I did put brand new batteries in it. It worked for a little while, and also it stopped working. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the batteries out first before I replace it, or I may just go ahead. So I do have fresh batteries here. Not the best of batteries, but they was fresh, and I tested them out. It was good. So I only used it once. So all right, let me go ahead and put the bulb in, replace it, and see what happens. Took a little bit more than an effort to remove the original incandescent bulb out. Now I'm about to replace this with a LED bulb. It's gonna be a little bit of an effort to press this in, so let me go ahead and do that. Yep, just as I figured, it was the bad bulb. Yeah, so here you go. Not sure what type of model flashlight this is, but it's been restored, ready to use. Talk to you later. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button for more updates, for more videos. Peace.